We got a brand new EcoDisc to ride here.
Going down.
Okay, go to a lower level. Okay. I think that should open up the back side.
Lower level. Going up.
Oh, I didn't know this says that. Okay. I think this thing has some sort of pre-start because I heard like the brake engage.
Second floor. Going down.
Oh wow. Come on. This is where the controller is, so if we go out here. If we go out here and let the doors close, you can hear the clicks. And this is also the VF drive, so if we just do this and let the doors close, you're gonna hear the VF drive. Then watch this.
Going down.
You're gonna go back down to low. And I'm gonna demonstrate the door hold feature in this.
Lower level. Going up.
Watch this, so rear hold. So this is door hold. So basically what door hold is, it holds the door open for like 30 seconds, then closes. Some installations, they have it for 10 seconds set or 5 seconds set. Depends on what the building owner is preset for the elevator. So then it should cancel out. Maybe not. Yep, there it goes. Let's go to one.
First floor.
There it goes. That'll be it.